You probably use browser extensions every day, from ad blockers to grammar checkers to shopping tools to productivity booster. But what if I told you some of them are silently spying on everything you do? Tracking your clicks, logging your passwords, and even reading your emails. And yes, it's completely legal in most cases. Let's talk about the hidden risks of browser extensions and how to use them safely. The problem with browser extensions. They have access to everything. Most browser extensions ask for very broad permissions like read and change all your data on the websites you visit, access your clipboard, read your browsing history. That means they can see the pages you visit, capture keystrokes, read your cookies, and access sensitive form fields like passwords, emails, or card numbers. Many are just data harvesters. A lot of extensions are free for a reason. Your data is the product. For example, shopping extensions that track your purchases to build a profile, crypto extensions that log wallet activity, productivity tools that capture page content and send it to remote servers. They can be hijacked or sold. Even if an extension is safe today, it may not be tomorrow. Why? Developers sell their extensions to shady companies. Extensions can be hacked through updates. Malicious code can be added after installation. There are many cases where trusted extensions turned into spyware overnight after an update. How to use extensions safely. Only install what you truly need. Every extension increases your attack surface. So treat them like apps on your phone and install the bare minimum. If you only need something occasionally, consider a web-based alternative instead of a persistent extension. Review permissions carefully. Always look at what permissions an extension asks for. Red flags are access data on all sites. Run in the background. Modify clipboard. If it doesn't make sense for the extension's core function, don't install it. Don't trust the browser web store blindly. Just because an extension is on the browser's web store like Chrome Web Store or has millions of users, doesn't mean it's safe. Google doesn't audit code deeply. Fake reviews and inflated install numbers are common. Instead, look for open source extensions. Check when it was last updated. Google the extension name with privacy or security risk. Revoke access when not in use. In browsers like Chrome and Firefox, you can restrict extensions to run only on click or only on specific sites. Go to extension and then manage. Choose on click or add specific URLs where it's needed. This limits unnecessary data exposure, and you get to control when extensions are actually active. Do this now for all the extensions in your browser. Browser extensions can be incredibly useful, but they're also one of the biggest blind spots in your digital life. Most people install them once and forget they even exist. But these small tools can have massive access to your private data. Stop treating them like toys. Start treating them like apps with careful permission, regular audits, and a privacy-first mindset.